Okay, so it is the Friday before prom, and I decided to bring back my YouTube channel. Okay, it's probably not good that I'm driving right now, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Okay, so yeah, I really like watching those prom videos, so I was like, why not? Let's bring my YouTube channel back. So I'm basically just doing some last minute shopping. I'm gonna go to Sephora, and then I'm gonna go
Kelvin Drive.
pick out some flowers for myself. So my mom just finished my flowers, and this is like the remnants of it, and then this is me making like my friend's flowers, which I haven't started on because I was helping my mom do my flowers. And this is what my flowers look like. They're in a cup right now, but so I sound really awkward and gross, but just ignore that. It's pretty cute. I really like them. Yeah, so I'm doing this mask. It's the energizing mask. So yeah, let's do that. So it's barely like 2 o'clock, or it's almost 2 o'clock, so I figured I'd start getting ready because I was getting kind of bored and I didn't really have anything to do. So I'm gonna start by doing my hair. I'm just gonna brush it. Okay. So yeah, basically I just decided to do like old Hollywood waves, and I just decided to like zoom through it because it's kind of boring to watch the whole thing. So yeah, enjoy. So I'm done doing my hair, kind of. I'm gonna wait for it to set a little bit before I brush it out. But for the most part, I'm done with my hair. So I'm gonna start doing my face. Okay, I'm so bad at vlogging because I usually just kind of make fun of people who vlog. Not really like make fun, because I do like watching vlogs, but I always like pretend to do vlogs like around my friends and stuff, and I just like over exaggerate it. And so now that I'm trying to be serious, it's like really weird, and I'm super awkward in this video, so that's great. Okay, so I kind of just decided to like talk through me doing my makeup because I didn't want to just like leave it with music because that would also be boring. So basically I was just doing my eyebrows first, and yeah, you can see me talking, and that's because I really thought I was gonna leave this all in, and then I realized that this video would be way too long if I did that, so I kind of just look like a crazy person. But yeah, so I just used the Just Peachy Mattes palette from Too Faced and the Tartelette in Bloom. Those are really good palettes. And then for glitter, I used those Stila liquid eyeshadows, and I put like a base eyeshadow down first, and then I used 2 different Stila liquid eyeshadows. And then after I was done putting it on, I wiped down my face because like glitter fell down. And then this is me finishing my hair. It didn't really come out exactly the way I wanted it to, and that's because I let my hair set for too long, but it still looked good. So back to my makeup, I used the MAC Face and Body Foundation, and I put that on with a brush first, and then I used my beauty blender to blend it out a little more. And then after that, I used my Tarte Tape Shape, and I mixed it with my Maybelline Age Rewind. So yeah, to be honest, I kind of put on too much concealer, because as you can see, it basically took away like all the color in my face. But yeah, I just blended that out, and then I went back over it with my foundation brush, and then I also just forgot to set my face, but I don't really crease much, so it was all good. And then this is me contouring my nose. And then after I contoured the rest of my face, I used my Sweethearts bronzer. And then this is me freaking out about a storm coming. As you can tell, it got a lot darker, but it ended up going away. And so now I'm just using blush, and then I highlighted the rest of my face. And now I'm using hellllooo lashes. They're pretty cute, I like them, but their band is kind of thick, so it's kind of hard to put on. But they still came out cute. And then also after this, I kind of forgot to film me putting on lipstick and setting my face because my friends started to say they were coming. So here's some pictures of me and my friends, since I didn't actually get to like vlog taking pictures because it was really hectic and it was getting really annoying. So yeah, and then here's a video of my dress, which I really loved. And yeah, after that we'll go back to the normal vlogging stuff. Anyways, I got AirPods.
Hey, correction. She won AirPods out of like our entire senior class, like 800 people. Stupid.
Exactly, the odds of that?
I won nothing.
So yeah, that's the end of my prom video. To be honest, I wish I would have filmed more, but you never really realize how hectic prom is. Like, you have so much time to get ready, and then it's just like a bunch of stuff coming at you. So yeah, but I do recommend prom. I thought it was really fun. As long as you have a good group of friends to go with, you'll have fun. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Subscribe, like, comment,